Okay, this is a festival arrangement, so I think everybody's got at least 2 parts, maybe 3.
We're supposed to have case studies.
Yeah. Lauren Bernofsky wrote Electric Sinfonia about 2 years ago. That was a grade 2.5 arrangement. She said, you know, this could make a good thing to play with everybody.
Violin 4.
So, there are 4 violin parts, 3 viola parts, 3 cello parts, 2 bass parts. Just pick one and play it. They all fit together. 1/2 parts, which are all pizzicato. Grade 1.5 parts, which are all first position, I believe, and grade 2.5 parts, which are in that ballpark, real handily. Okay. Got a little bit of a rock feel. There's a piano part, but no drums or anything. But it's one that you can put all your kids together on. Probably in the spring would be a good one for this little feller with intensity. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you can, like I say, put all your kids together from the beginners up to high school.